Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make milk sweet pasta. Very easy and a quick recipe, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a saucepan. Into this add sufficient amount of water. When the water comes to a boil, add 1 cup of macaroni pasta. Give it a quick mix and let this cook for 8 minutes in medium flame. It's been 8 minutes now and our macaroni pasta is well cooked and ready. So strain off the water and set it aside. Let this cool for 2 minutes. Now heat 2 cups of milk in a saucepan. When the milk comes to a boil, strain and add 1 cup of Jaggery water. You can replace 1 cup of Jaggery water with half cup of sugar. Jaggery water is always considered best for health. Give it a good mix. Then to this add half teaspoon of cardamom powder. Now our milk and jaggery are well combined, so go ahead and add the cooked pasta and mix it well. Continue to mix for another 2 more minutes until the milk becomes thick. It's been 2 minutes now and the pasta has absorbed the milk and our milk sweet pasta is in perfect consistency, so off the flame. Now our delicious milk sweet pasta is ready. Serve it nice and hot and enjoy with your family and friends. You can also season it with some ghee, cashews and raisins. Very easy, delicious and a quick recipe. So do try this milk sweet pasta recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.